So guys, this is how my fridge look like. I have different soup. I have vegetables. This is ogbono soup. I have ogbono soup. I have vegetable soup. I have orishi. You see this fridge? When you come to my house, hungry no go catch you. Anyone you want, you eat. So, oh yeah, let's go to my. This is my freezer. Let's go to my fridge. My fridge there. Oh, bring the camera close. My pure water is here. My stew is here. My fried rice, my jollof rice, orishi, anyone you want. When you come to my house, you are not going to be hungry. So, try and visit me, okay?